Hello, my name is Clay Kessler. I go to Princeton High School and I'm in Mr. Studer's ninth bell chemistry class. Today I'm going to be performing a simple experiment where we make a homemade lava lamp. The ingredients you'll need for this are all right here. We have vegetable oil, water, a clear container. I'm using a glass of water, a water glass. I have this food coloring, an Alka-Seltzer pill, and of course safety goggles. These are in case any chemicals get in your eyes. Okay, the first step to this is we're going to be pouring water in the bottom of this container. Make the water amount significant but not too much. I'm pouring about that much. After that we're going to be adding this vegetable oil. There should be more vegetable oil than water. Now, as you can see, the oil and water do not mix with each other. This is simply because oil is less dense than water, so it floats on top. They cannot mix unless they are mixed with another ingredient, such as soap or something like that. The next step is this. As this settles down, we're going to add food coloring. I'm going to choose red. Now the food coloring is also interesting. When I drop it in, I'm just going to drop a few drops in. The food coloring sinks through the oil, but not through the water. It floats at the top, right between the oil and the water. I'll get a close-up here. Okay, so the food coloring is more dense than oil, therefore it's heavier, it sinks down, but it's less dense than water. So it floats right on top of the water, which is pretty cool. Okay, so now to mix, we're going to add these Alka-Seltzer pills to mix up this food coloring and water and oil mixture. So what happens now is I'll drop this in. Now there's a chemical reaction going on between the water and the Alka-Seltzer pill. The Alka-Seltzer pill, when it makes contact with water, it produces these little bubbles of oxygen. And now the bubbles of oxygen have gone and broke the food coloring droplets, so it's mixed with all the water now. And it produces air bubbles that carry water and food coloring up to the top of the glass. Then the bubbles pop when they make contact with the air, and the water and food coloring mixture drop back to the bottom in the water, where the whole process starts over again until the Alka-Seltzer pill has run out. So now the Alka-Seltzer pill is gone because it is fully dissolved. I have one more. I can show a close-up here. Okay, so now I'm going to drop this Alka-Seltzer pill in here. Now it bubbles up at the bottom and carries water and food coloring mixture up to the top with it. It gives you this cool lava lamp effect. Here it is from the top. See the bubbles popping, and then as they pop, some of the water and food coloring fall back down, where they are then sprung back up into the top until the pill is dissolved. So that is all it takes to make a simple homemade lava lamp at your house.